You are your first priority. Regardless of who you're talking to, regardless of what you're saying, you are the first one to hear your words. And you're the first one to digest your words. And you're the first one that receives your words. And you're the first one that understands your words. And you're the first one that embodies your words. You are always first. You are always your first priority. So everything you say, you hear it first. You listen to you first. You embody what you say first because you are your priority. So you say, so you are. Live deliberately. Subscribe and click the thank you thumb. Namaste.